awareness of sound. You may notice that there are sounds that come from inside or outside the space you're in. Sounds of traffic, the movement of others in the room. There's something else going on. If your attention has been drawn by sound, just be aware of it. Stay with it long enough to notice the quality of the sound vibration, tone, volume, or intensity. Being aware of the urge of the mind to label sound as traffic, as voices, as music, etc. Try to experience the sound without the labels. Practice recognizing as just vibrations in the eardrums. Just hearing. Once you've noticed the sound, let it go. And bring your attention back to the breath. Let your breath be the anchor of awareness. Each time your awareness goes somewhere else, you can just gently come back to the breath without judgment. Thanks for starting your day with Hammock readings, and we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.